Hi everyone. So my name is Paul Kwame Dente, and I'm here to show you my Promised Land um, project. And this project is to show that I have done all the requirements um, for the work, and also that it's ready to be used um, by by the customer. So we'll just go straight forward to the process, and this process is going to be for the users and where it has been assigned to, and also the update, and also the commands, the login commands, and also the the years, and also how many months they can use, and the password too they are supposed to be used, the limited years that it will take before they can input a new password to as well. So basically, that's what we are going to go through. So we'll just dive right into it. And as time goes on, I'll be explaining everything. So, so we'll start with, so the first will be the file server rule, which I'm going to just go into it right now. So as you can see, we can see that we have all the um, setup done for the SSMB service. That's the Samba. So it's currently active, running, and it shows that it's working. So we'll move straight forward to the next one. So this is for the users and then the groups to be able to have access to all the information. So we can go straight and then quickly look at the file we've created. So for its modification tools, so we'll just do that quickly because of time. So yeah, so there's it, the little bit of the demonstration. And so the notification and all the way down to the file that shows that everything is good. So we quickly um, show that I have all the groups and also the users too as well. So let's go into it for everybody's organization order. So we'll just do that right now. So, all right. So there we have it. So these are all the users, and then also the all people are in the organization chat. So that's what we have here. So let's quickly check their groups as well. So we do So these are the groups. So as you can see, these are all the groups and its users, and which has been assigned to each organization. So that's it for the users and groups. So we can also just check some of um, the the teams to us, so that we can see that they are all assigned to each group. So let's do that. So, so we can see some of the names that are assigned to this team or the group. So we can also check this to as well, the group for one person. So we can also do all this to show us in the group. So all these people, you can just get into it one by one, but because of time, we'll just move on. So these are all the users. So we can see the operation teams, we can see the students, and also everybody where they are supposed to be assigned. So we can quickly go and see the permissions to as well for each student. So we'll do that for CRM team, and then we can see all the permissions that has been assigned to the user. So this is the user, and then the group, and then also the file that has been assigned to it. So we could also do a little bit diving into it, so we can just get more information about it. So we can do all this for the files, and then we can get all the results for it. So we'll just quickly move on. So do so this the next one we'll just do about the firewall, to show that the firewall is running, and also to make sure that it's active. So the firewall shows that it's active, and is running perfectly. So to see more information about it, we can just do status. So this shows that the firewall is running, everything is set for it. So the next we'll go for is the security, to check if our security is working and also running perfectly. That's for both the accounts and security too as well. So login. So so this is the login file, and for the administration. So so here we are. So I've modified it for 90 days, and also that the days is zero, and then the agent control too as well. Um, so the warning will be for seven, and for it to be able to know that it's working perfectly. So these are all for the users and how they are supposed to be run. So we'll just move on to um, the IP address to make sure that everything's also perfectly done. Yeah. So there we have it. You can see that the IP address is working, and also it's active too as well. Um, so we can just quickly do to show it that we have assigned everything to it. So we do sudo ns. So this we've been able to show that we have the network and the address and everything. Also, it's working. So that we have everything here shows that it's working perfectly, and we can be able to use the browser at any time we want for each user, um, so that it will be perfect. So what we'll do next is what we'll just do next. So just do the cat. So this will be able to show that the message of the day for it. That's the welcome to the Promised Land server. And I just added something small to it. That's all the best. To just encourage the users whenever they are working and know that everybody is there for them. So we'll just go into the next one. So there we have it. So we can see the command here. So this will actually restart the machine every 2 years, and so that if anybody next will be able to use it, they can use it as clean, open, um, an open, sorry, so that they can be able to have a clear desktop to be used, to show that we've updated the folder. So or we've updated the Linux. We can just do this. So mostly when you type the update, it mostly sometimes updates although I've already done the updates, but it will just re-update it again. And there you go. So after the um, after the update, it's the next thing we have to show is that we are using the firewall, and that's what I'm rightly using. And to show that I'm using that, we can just do Shift Alt and then F1, and then it brings us back to our Linux firewall. So what we can do also to show that it's working, just type promised land. Oops, sorry. So there we go. You can see that our firewall is working and it has been able to open perfectly. Thank you for joining, and I appreciate the effort of watching and taking you through my project. Sorry for some little bit breakage that I'm breaking because I've written it down so that I can be able to go through it perfectly. Thank you.